Now I'm going to show you how you easily can find all your calibration certificates and review them all in one place. So let's say that you want to review those certificates that did not pass the calibration according to the specification. A great way to do this in Metech Instrument Organizer is to go into Reports module. So if you go into Reports, Calibration Reports, you're able to do a conditional search based on different criteria. So I'm going to search for those calibrations that has been performed this year and those that did not pass the calibration when it was calibrated as received. So I'm gonna check those boxes, then I'm gonna click here search, and then I will get a list of all instruments that did not pass the calibration. And I can easily click here on the report to review the report. I can also click here to look into more information and perform a methodological confirmation if that's required. Also in this view, it's really easy to go into a specific instrument and review it in detail by clicking on the MIO ID. So this is a really easy way how you can review your calibration certificates and make sure that all is passed.